Hello friends! So I want to show you today what we're going to be doing in math. So we're going to do a little bit of practice for what you are about to do on your seesaw assignment by yourself. So it's very important that you pay attention to what I'm about to show you. That way you know exactly how to do the assignment. Today we're going to keep on decomposing. Remember, decomposing is when we have one big number and we break it apart into two smaller parts. So if we have 5 as our big number, we can break up 5 into two smaller parts. We can break 5 into 2 and 3. These are two numbers, two smaller parts. 2 and 3 together make 5. So we decompose 5 into 2 and 3. Remember yesterday and this last week, we've been doing story problems with crayons and decomposing. We were using these guys to decompose, or you were using your cubes at home. So we're going to do another problem just like that and decompose. Yesterday, we did a problem where there was 6 crayons, and we needed to find out how many are blue and how many are red. Now today, your story problem is going to be a little bit different. So here is an example. We are going to practice what you're going to do on your seesaw today. So here's your story problem today. There are 6 crayons. 3 of them are red, and some of them are blue. How many are blue? So the first thing we do with this story problem is we think about what we know. We know there's going to be 6 crayons, and we know there are 3 red. The first thing we're going to do now is write 3 red. That's what you guys are going to do with your numbers. So we know there are 3 red, so I'm going to draw 3 red. 1, 2, 3. Now we don't know how much is blue, but we do know there's supposed to be 10 crayons all together. There's supposed to be 10. Let me write down 10. Boop. We need to make sure we have 10 crayons. We know there's 3 red. So how many are blue? This is so easy, guys. You can do this because look how I do it. It's easy peasy. We have 3. Why don't we count on until we get to 10? So we know the rest are going to be blue. Right now we only have 3. The rest are going to be blue. So let's count on with our blue and draw blue until we have 10 crayons all together. So we have 3 red. Now if we do one more blue, that's 4 crayons. 3, 4 crayons. We're going to count until we get to 10 and draw until we have 10. So you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop, because we only have 10 crayons, remember? 3 are red, some of them are blue, but there's 10 altogether. I got 10 though. I started with 3 red, and I drew more blue crayons until there was 10 altogether. Now, we can count how many blue we drew until we got to 10 and find out how much blue. Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so if there's 3 red crayons, we're supposed to have 10. There's 7 blue crayons too, because 3 red plus 7 blue equals 10. So we decompose 10 into 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. So this is exactly what I want you to do on your seesaw. Your numbers are different. You're not going to have 3 red and 7 blue. This was my example. I'm just showing you how you're going to do it. Yours is a little different, but draw the same thing. Draw how many you know we have. We knew there was 3 red, so I drew 3 red first. And then we drew until we figured out how many more blue we need to make 10. So here is your seesaw assignment, what you're going to do, doing the same thing I just did. I want you guys to make sure you have something to write with. Wait, never mind. Your seesaw's online. You're going to draw it on your seesaw. Whoopsies. You are going to find this seesaw right here. Ooh. It looks like this. It says Unit 10, 6 crayons. How many are red? It is the same thing that we just did, guys, but your story has different numbers. So make sure you know what numbers you're going to be working with. Don't copy my numbers that I just did. This one's different. This one says, I have 6 crayons in all. So we still have 6. 4 are blue. See, that's different. Ours had 3 are red. This one is 4 are blue. How many are red? So I want you guys to go and complete that seesaw. Do it just like I did here. Draw your picture and write your equation. You have to draw a picture and write your equation. That will show me that you understand this. Go ahead and do that. Do all the other activities you have today for asynchronous, for science, and for Miss Ling, and then you're good to go. Good luck, guys.